Today we have a really cool 1962 Alfa Romeo Sprint Speciale Giulietta. Jason, come hither. We have to get on the road now.
Let's go.
All right, here we are with a cold start. Oh, choke's out. Lower it a little bit. Wow, wonderful little Alfa. Get on the road. Let's make sure we can see behind us. So these are really lovely little cars. They're really tossable. They're great power. 5-speed gearbox. As far as power, this one had an engine done by Peter Markovici, Ted Wenz here in New York. Slightly bored out in 2016. So it's got that little bit extra power. It is a Giulietta Sprint Speciale. Has been very well known to us. We've owned it several times. Okay, so that works well. Gearbox is a 5-speed. Great rally tour cars. Cruise on the highway exceptionally well. We've recently repadded cloth seats. It is cool. It's got disc brakes. Differential is quiet. It has got a very cool exhaust note. Flyby's over. Now we take a couple of the twisties on our way to the farm road. We can definitely discuss how the gearbox is excellent. In many cases, a lot of these Alphas have synchro issues. It does not. As I said before, no differential whine. It is really, really an excellent little car. Fun on back roads. And as you can see, cruises quite well. Spacious for a little car. Nimble. Corners well. And we're going to do our usual first gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, and we're just part throttle, so we're not really even accelerating. Fifth gear. Let's get into second gear and let's accelerate a little bit. It's just enjoyable to use around town and everywhere. So, and it's reliable. Thank you for watching. This is an excellent Sprint Speciale Giulietta in a lovely color combination, in my opinion. It is looking for a new home where it will be loved and honored once again. So, thank you very much for watching again.